This video shows how to install a GunWraps rifle kit step by step. Quick safety first. Always treat every firearm as loaded until you've personally confirmed it's clear. Have your rifle unloaded, tools, and gloves ready. You'll need a degreaser, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, a soft brush, hobby knife, heat gun, hand squeegee, and optional adhesive promoter and application gloves. Step 1. Cleaning and surface prep. Proper surface preparation is essential for a clean, long-lasting wrap. Thoroughly inspect and clean your rifle. Confirm the rifle is unloaded. Remove oil and grease using a gun safety greaser, and use a soft brush to clean crevices and recessed areas. Wipe all surfaces with isopropyl alcohol to remove any remaining residue. Wash your hands after cleaning to keep oils off the surface. Dry with a lint-free cloth or allow the rifle to air dry. Step 2. Layout and preparation. Lay out all universal pieces included in your kit before starting. Take your time removing pieces from the backing sheet, especially thinner sections as they can tear easily. Your kit includes pieces for the left buttstock, right buttstock, barrel, foregrip, and patch strips. Cut strips are included for trimming and clean edge control. Before applying any vinyl, take a moment to check the direction and flow of the pattern. Camo patterns are usually more forgiving, but patriotic designs, stripes, flags, logos, text, and other directional patterns may require extra alignment during installation. Dry fit the pieces first and look at how the pattern flows across the foregrip, buttstock, barrel, and any overlapping areas. On certain rifle configurations, you may need to trim or separate a piece into smaller sections so the design lines up more cleanly. This is especially important for patterns with stars, stripes, straight lines, or recognizable graphics. This extra step is not required for every install, but it can make a big difference when using directional or patriotic patterns. Take your time, avoid overstretching the vinyl to force alignment, and use slight overlaps where needed to keep the pattern looking consistent across the rifle. Once the pattern direction and alignment are planned, begin with the larger, flatter sections before moving into the smaller or more detailed areas. Step 3. Foregrip installation. If wrapping a bolt-action rifle, it is recommended to remove the bolt before beginning installation. Center the foregrip sheet by aligning the rectangular cutout over the trigger guard on the bottom of the rifle. Once aligned, the trigger guard should sit centered inside the cutout. Apply firm pressure using your fingers or a glove to secure the sheet in place. Trim excess wrap from the front only at this stage. Continue wrapping the foregrip evenly around the contours. Because these kits are universal, additional trimming may be required for a clean custom fit. Apply steady pressure as you work around the foregrip. Trim all excess material and apply heat to the entire wrapped area and edges to lock the vinyl in place. Depending on your rifle's shape and the pattern selected, some design elements may naturally shift or taper as the wrap conforms to the contours of the foregrip. This is especially noticeable with directional patterns, where lines or other design elements may follow the natural angle of the rifle. Optional primer application. Primer can improve long-term durability in areas prone to lifting, such as corners, edges, or tight recesses. Use 3M Primer 94 Adhesive Promoter to reinforce adhesion in these areas. Activate by crushing the marked dots to saturate the sponge tip. It dries clear with no residue. Apply lightly only where needed, and avoid overstretching the vinyl, as this can weaken the adhesive. Step 4. Buttstock installation. Align the buttstock wrap so the pattern matches and flows naturally with the foregrip. Slight overlap may be used to maintain visual continuity across the rifle. Apply firm pressure as you wrap the buttstock, working gradually over contours and edges. Trim any excess material, heat all edges, and repeat alignment as needed to maintain clean transitions. Step 5. Barrel installation. Using cut strips. Place a cut strip along the bottom length of the barrel, slightly above the center line. Center the barrel wrap along the top of the barrel using the V notches as alignment guides. Apply firm pressure along the bottom first to anchor the wrap in place. Trim the front and rear excess material. Continue wrapping one side over the cut strip. Then wrap around the barrel and trim carefully along the tape edge, using light pressure to avoid scratching the barrel. Place a second cut strip over the wrapped side, aligning it just below the trimmed edge. Trim lightly along the tape edge. Remove the excess vinyl and tape, and inspect for clean seams. Step 6. Final heat set and inspection. Go over the entire wrap using controlled heat to ensure proper adhesion, especially along edges, seams, and recessed areas. Trim any remaining excess material as needed and apply final heat to lock the vinyl in place. That's it. Double-check fitment and edges, store tools safely, and enjoy your protected firearm. GunWraps products are proudly made in the USA, waterproof, non-reflective, and built to last. Protect, personalize, and style your firearms with confidence.